I wrote a song for this lesson, and everybody's going to sing it to you. And would you like to stand up and sing the song?
我们季老师编了一首歌，今天来唱给蔡老师乐景。
And the words are up here on the board as well, so you can see those if you want to. But you'll probably be enjoying this. He has terrible tusks and terrible claws and terrible teeth in his terrible jaws. He's a Gruffalo. He's a Gruffalo. He's a Gruffalo. He has knobbly knees and turned down toes and a poisonous wart at the end of his nose. He's a Gruffalo. He's a Gruffalo. He's a Gruffalo. His eyes are orange, his tongue is black. He has purple prickles all over his back. He's a Gruffalo. He's a Gruffalo. He's a Gruffalo. He's the Gruffalo. He's a Gruffalo. He's a Gruffalo. So he's a very scary monster, and now you're going to see part of the story led by two of the teachers.
So, ladies, so we are going to do the storytelling Whoosh today. So we have already known the story, but pay attention. So if I say Whoosh, everyone go back to his own places, okay? Yeah, okay. So look, let's to start with, look at the picture. Where is it?
Forest.
Yes, what can you see in the forest?
Trees.
So, at the beginning of the story, I need 1, 2, 3 to be the trees, and you can make the wood. Okay. So, and a mouse and a fox. Okay. So stop. A mouse took a stroll through the deep, dark wood. A fox saw the mouse, and the mouse looked good. Okay. Where are you going to?
Where are you going to?
Little brown mouse.
Little brown mouse,
Come and have lunch
come and have lunch
in my underground house.
in my underground house.
Yeah. It's terribly kind of you,
It's terribly kind of you,
Fox, but
Fox.
no.
But no,
I'm going to have lunch
I'm going to have lunch
with a Gruffalo.
with a Gruffalo.
Okay, this part we can do it together. Okay. A Gruffalo?
A Gruffalo?
What's a Gruffalo?
What's a Gruffalo?
A Gruffalo?
A Gruffalo?
Why didn't you know?
Why didn't you know?
Whoosh.
无视的时候，就大家就回到
Okay, so story goes on. So this time, can everyone be a Gruffalo?
Yes.
Let's do it together. He has terrible tusks
He has terrible tusks
and terrible claws
and terrible claws
and terrible teeth in his terrible jaws.
and terrible teeth in his terrible jaws.
Okay, this time, can you be the mouse? Okay. And the fox. And I need you 1, 2, 3 to be the stones. Okay. So,
现在那3个是石头，
where are you meeting him?
小老鼠。
Where are you meeting him?
Here by these rocks. Here by these rocks. And his favorite food. And his favorite food is roasted fox.
Is roasted fox.
Roasted fox.
Oh, roasted fox.
I'm off.
I'm off.
Yeah, fox said. Goodbye, little mouse.
Goodbye, little mouse.
And away he sped.
小老鼠
Silly old fox.
Silly old fox.
Doesn't he know?
Doesn't he know?
There is no such thing as a Gruffalo.
There's no such thing as a Gruffalo.
Whoosh.
Okay, another 3 trees in the forest and an owl. Yes, 3 trees. Yeah, an owl and a mouse. Okay. On went the mouse through the deep dark wood. Through the deep dark wood. Yeah. An owl saw the mouse and the mouse looked good. Where are you going to?
Where are you going to?
Little brown mouse.
Little brown mouse.
Come and have tea.
Come and have tea.
In my treetop house.
In my treetop house.
It's frightfully nice of you.
It's frightfully nice of you.
Oh, but no.
But no,
I'm going to have tea
I'm going to have tea
with a Gruffalo.
with a Gruffalo.
A Gruffalo?
A Gruffalo?
What's a Gruffalo?
What's a Gruffalo?
A Gruffalo?
A Gruffalo?
Why didn't you know?
Why didn't you know?
Okay, the Gruffalo, he has knobbly knees
He has knobbly knees
and turned-out toes
and turned-out toes
and a poisonous wart at the end of his nose.
and a poisonous wart at the end of his nose.
Okay, then you'll be the mouse, you'll be the owl, and I also you two to be the tree. Okay? So, where are you meeting him?
Thank you very much.
Where are you meeting?
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Bye bye. Yeah.
Where are you meeting him?
Where are you meeting?